The Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum, a sleek and powerful cleaning tool, is designed to tackle all floor types with ease, offering an efficient cleaning experience without the hassle of cords. With its motor bar cleaner head, this vacuum is engineered to deep clean both carpets and hard floors, effortlessly removing dirt and debris. The standout feature here is its ability to detangle long hair and pet hair while you clean, solving one of the most common frustrations many users face. No more stopping to untangle hair from the brush roll, it's all taken care of. And with 3 attachments included, you're equipped for cleaning up high, down low, and in those tricky spots in between. It also comes with a wall dock and charger for easy storage and recharging. Performance-wise, the Dyson V8 offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction power in its normal mode, which is impressive for a cordless vacuum. For more intense tasks, there's a max mode that delivers up to 5 minutes of concentrated suction power, perfect for spot cleaning stubborn messes. This flexibility in power modes allows you to balance runtime and cleaning performance to suit your needs. If you're looking for versatility, this vacuum does not disappoint. It's lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around for quick, cordless cleaning. And it even converts into a handheld vacuum for smaller jobs like cleaning stairs, upholstery, or even the interior of your car. The Dyson V8 is also equipped with a hair screw tool designed specifically for picking up long hair and pet hair. Its anti-tangle conical brush bar is a game changer, effectively removing hair from surfaces like pet beds, car seats, and stairs, all while keeping the vacuum head running smoothly. This feature alone makes it stand out, especially for pet owners who deal with the constant battle of hair accumulation in their home. The vacuum's advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, which is a huge benefit for allergy sufferers or anyone sensitive to dust. The air expelled is cleaner, which not only improves the air quality in your home, but also enhances your overall cleaning experience. This filtration is especially critical when it comes to cordless vacuums, where you want to ensure that the machine doesn't just clean the surfaces, but also traps dust and allergens effectively. In terms of usability, the Dyson V8 is built for ease of use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces or when cleaning up high. The transition from upright to handheld is seamless, and the vacuum is simple to empty, reducing the hassle of maintaining it. However, it's important to note that while the vacuum is lightweight, some users may find the bin a bit smaller compared to larger models, meaning you may need to empty it more frequently during longer cleaning sessions. During my testing, the Dyson V8 performed admirably across various scenarios. On hard floors, it effortlessly picked up fine dust, dirt, and small debris. It excelled on carpets too, lifting embedded dirt with ease. When it came to handling pet hair, especially on upholstery and stairs, the hair screw tool proved invaluable. The vacuum was also surprisingly effective under furniture, where its slim profile allowed for easy access. On the downside, in max mode, the battery life is reduced to around 5 minutes, which might not be enough for larger cleaning tasks. And while the vacuum is generally quiet, it can get a bit noisy in max mode when it's running at full power. As for the build quality, Dyson has a solid reputation, and this vacuum doesn't disappoint. The materials feel durable, yet it remains lightweight. The plastic components don't feel flimsy, and the brush roll is designed to withstand long-term use. However, regular maintenance is required, especially cleaning the brush roll to remove hair, and replacing the filter is necessary to maintain performance. One area where the Dyson V8 truly shines is in the value for money. For its performance, especially in terms of suction power, versatility, and pet hair handling, it's a solid contender in the cordless vacuum market. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it certainly holds its own when compared to other cordless vacuums in a similar price range. It might be a bit on the higher end, but for those looking for a cordless vacuum that delivers great performance on multiple surfaces with excellent filtration and a useful range of attachments, it's a good investment. If you're considering alternatives in this category, the Dyson V8 competes well against other models like the Shark IZ201 UK Anti-Hair Wrap Cordless Vacuum or the Tanico Pure One S12. While the Shark model offers a similar design, it lacks the same suction power in its normal mode and struggles more with pet hair. The Tinyco Pure One S12 offers excellent suction, but lacks the Dyson's specialized pet hair tools. In comparison, the Dyson V8 balances performance, weight, and functionality across a wider range of cleaning tasks. Looking at longevity, Dyson is known for building products that last, and the V8 seems no different. It's durable, and with regular maintenance, especially with the brush roll and filter, the vacuum should perform well over time. The 2-year limited warranty offers peace of mind, and Dyson's customer service is highly regarded, which adds value to the purchase in case any issues arise. In summary, the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum is a great option for those who want a versatile, lightweight, and effective cordless vacuum. It's particularly suitable for homes with pets, allergy sufferers, and those needing a vacuum that can handle different floor types. The battery life in normal mode offers solid runtime, but if you need more suction power for a quick clean, the max mode delivers a punch. The Dyson V8 strikes a good balance between performance, design, and usability, making it a strong contender in its price range. If you're in the market for a vacuum that's easy to use, handles pet hair with ease, and offers a good level of suction across various surfaces, the Dyson V8 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out the Dyson V8 for yourself, the link is in the comments below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions you may have about the vacuum. Until next time, keep your home clean and your floors fresh. Goodbye for now.